Okay, we are live now.
Hello everyone. Hello Imanshu. Hello everyone.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Let us know in the comment section that we are audible or not. Then we start the today's live session. Okay, so the live session is related to final coding marathon. Okay. Yes,
Yes, guys.
guys.
Yeah. So
Yes.
this is our final marathon class for TCS NQT coding exam, and we will be solving 5 previous year questions, and also I will be giving you some last moment tips and tricks for TCS NQT exam. So stay tuned and just share this video as much as you can. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Imachu. Okay, we are just waiting for 2 to 5 minutes, like 5 minutes. Candidates are joining the today's live session.
Yeah, and just share this video as much as you can because we'll be solving. This is the last class over coding, and we'll be solving 5 previous year question, and also I'm giving you some tips and tricks for TCS exam. Okay, so share this video as much as you can.
And guys, in today's biggest marathon session, you have to try the question as well as just पेन और पेपर ले लीजिए एंड लॉजिक भी लिखिए और साथ ब साथ कंप्यूटर या डेस्कटॉप पे कंपाइलर पे कोड बनाइए. ओके, you have to implement your logic as well. Yes, guys, we are
Okay.
starting the session in some minutes. Yes, Lokesh.
Yeah, so in today's session, I will be giving you the question and I will be giving you sufficient 10-15 minutes for the question. And you have first you have to try it of your own. And if you are not able to solve the question, then I will provide the solution. Okay. You can use any language like C++, Python, Java, anything, but you need to solve because this is because you have to give the examination and we have only last 4 days, so you need to practice some more. Okay, guys, that's why I'm conducting this marathon for your practice only. Okay, clear? Good
Good
afternoon, Sham.
afternoon, Sham. Good afternoon.
Okay, guys, clear? The agenda is clear, guys. What we are going to do today? I will be giving you the questions, like the 5 previous year question. First, you have to try it of your own, and if you're not able to solve, then I will be explaining the question here. Okay? Because we have last 4 days and we need to practice a lot for the examination. Okay?
Exam
Clear,
date is
guys?
still same. Yeah.
Okay, guys, let me know in the comments you are clear with the agenda of today, like what we are going to do in the today's marathon class. Let me know in the comments. If you have any doubts regarding the TCS NQT exam coding part, let me know in the comments. Good
Good
afternoon, Ratha.
afternoon. Good afternoon, Atharva. We are just waiting for 2 minutes more. Then we start the today's live session. And this is one of the biggest marathon. This is our final coding session. Okay. So the exam date is still same, 26 April. Most probably from tomorrow, we will see the mail that is related to exam, like hall ticket or exam. No,
Jai
sir.
Shri
No.
Ram. Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram. Yes. Sham, what about no? Exam date has not been changed, so when we will get the admit card? Most probably by tomorrow. Okay. So chances is this from tomorrow or on 22nd, there is a chances that you will receive the admit card. Okay.
Okay, guys, let me know in the comments if you have any doubts, you want to ask something, because this is the last session of our coding part. Okay, this is the last class of coding. So if you have any doubts regarding we have uploaded more than 36 videos in our TCS NQT playlist. So if you have any doubts regarding the coding or anything, I have solved more than 40 plus problems of previous year. In the daily life classes, we have solved 2 questions per day, and in the marathon class we will be solving 5 questions. So in total, in general, we have solved more than 40 plus questions. That is more than enough for TCS NQT. Okay, so
Please
this is the
solve the
last
January.
session of coding. So if you have any doubt, just I ask right now. Please solve January 15 February exam was good. That exam was in center, so how we can collect the question? That is a big trouble. How many position available for Ninja Digital and Prime? There is no fixed position. I guess there is no fixed position, right, Lokesh?
Yeah. Actually, it will totally depends on TCS team. They even not disclose the hiring of numbers, hiring number this time.
Yeah. So it will again dependent upon the TCS team. So they have not disclosed the like how many positions are available for Ninja Digital and Prime.
Bro, they mentioned 26. Everyone will have 26 or take some time. I think the exam is in the form of slots, means on the 26 itself. Okay, there is a morning slot, afternoon slot, or evening slot, but most probably the exam is on same day as a 26 April. Can you please extend the coding session until the TCS exam? Okay, Sham, thank you so much for your support, and thank you so much, everyone. But as we already said, we take like 40 questions. Okay, we completed 40 questions that all are previous year questions. So we got the questions from some of the groups, and we also talk to some of the candidates. So don't worry, we will share all the other strategies as well, and we will come up on 25 April as a final session of do's and don't of TCS examination. Okay, that is a final session in which you can ask your queries related to coding aptitude. Okay, because the exam is on 26. We are waiting for admit card. Yes, Lokesh, we can start the today's live session, and I
Okay.
think candidates will be joined. Okay, yes, continue.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. So yeah, guys, from 31st of April, I have uploaded like more than I guess 15 or 16, and in each video we have solved 2+ questions. So in general, we have solved like 40+ problems till now of the previous year coding question. That is the biggest one. Okay, no one has solved that much question till now. So we have solved more than 40+ question, and if you revise all of our previous video, that is more than enough for TCS examination. Okay, so like for the last 4 to 5 days I will recommend you to just start going through our playlist, like just watch 3 to 4 videos per day and just try to revise the concept that we have discussed in our live classes, in the marathons and all the things, and just try to revise all the concept, and that's it more than enough for your teachers examination. Okay guys? Sir, can I be at least selected for digital but running all the three coding and not doing well in April? Ganesh, like there is a sectional as well as the overall cutoff as well. They will consider your aptitude performance, reasoning, verbal, and coding performance as well. They will consider overall performance for the digital profile. Okay. So you have to be like your score should be good in all the three sections. Okay. Clear, guys? Okay, so like let's start the today's class. So in today's class, we will be solving like this. As I have said, this is the last session of our coding playlist, and we will be solving 5 previous year question. So the agenda will be: first I will be giving you like 10 to 15 minutes for each question, and you can use any language. Maybe you can use C++, Java, Python, C, anything. And if you got the question, and just put your answer in the chat, and if you are not able to solve the question, then I will be solving the question here. Okay guys? Clear guys? The agenda is clear. The agenda is clear or not, guys? Clear guys? Can we start? Okay, so let's start. Yes, Karthik, you can expect this type of question in your examination. So, as from my previous video, I am discussing like there are two type of question, that is type 1 and type 2 question. Type 1 question will be basically simple as story based, and it will involve some mathematical, some calculation based upon it. While the type 2 question will be of DSA, because there is a prime profile, and we can expect the type in second type, we can expect the DSA questions. Okay. Okay, so let's start. So this is the first question. Can you see my screen? Is my screen visible, guys? And the question is also like visible to you. Some people mention that Accenture recruitment even got called off because certain candidate information, but later received a great many email from Sham. Like we are not sure about it, but if we got any info, then we will definitely let you know about this. Okay. Okay. So let's start. So first we will read out the question. This is our first question. Okay. This is the first question of our today's live session. Given a string str written in camel case, that is every word start with an uppercase letter and there is no space or punctuation between two consecutive words. The task is to put one space after each word and convert every uppercase letter to the lowercase letter. This is the question. So the two important thing in the question is, first one is the camel case, and the second thing is convert all upper to lower. Okay, so first I will be telling you like how to approach a question in your examination. First, I will tell you the step-by-step approach. So first you have to read out the question, okay, and you will be getting a sample like a rough sheet or the white paper in your examination. So first you have to read out the question and you have to write like the main things of the question. Like you have to make like some main point, maybe 2 points, 3 points, any points you can consider. Like in this question, the main two important things are, first one is the camel case and the second was one is we have to convert from all upper to lower. So in that way you have to tackle the question in the examination. First you have to read the question and you have to extract the main things from the question, like what the question is asking, and you have to make the like 2 to 3 rough points in your white paper. Okay, so like the important things that is mentioned in the question. Okay, so this is the two important thing, like what is the camel case, and second one we have to convert all upper to lower case. Okay, so what is the camel case letter, guys? Let me know in the comments. What is a camel case? Let me know in the comments, guys. What is a camel case? Let me know in the comments, guys. What is the camel case conversion? Yeah. Yes, correct, the third. So the camel case is a convention in which first letter of every word is uppercase. That is, let's say all best. You can see the first letter is the capital and the first letter of every word is capital. You can see first letter of all is capital and first letter of best is again capital. So okay, so camel case is every word start with an uppercase letter. This is the definition of camel case. Clear? Yeah, first letter is capital, that is camel case. Correct, Himanshu. Clear? Okay. And second thing is, first we have to convert all uppercase to lowercase letter. Okay. Okay, so this is the two important things of the question. So let's discuss like how we can solve this question. Like first I will ask like do you have any approaches like how we can solve this question? Any approaches for this question, guys? If you got the question, then let me know in the comments like how we can solve this question. The TCS examination will be on 26. There is no postponed info till now, so we can expect that the TCS examination will be on 26. How we can solve this question, guys? Any approaches that is coming to your mind, like how we can solve this question? Okay, if the character is uppercase, it's append a space of the character. Yes, char dot lower. Yes, if index of each above letter. No, the examination will be on 26. 26 April is your examination. That is the final thing. Initialize an empty string to store the converted sentence. Iterate over each character. Yes, Athar, you are going in the right direction. Okay. Okay, Sham. But most probably by Monday, we can expect the admit cards. If the current character is a non-alphabetic character. No, Athar, like in the question, it is mentioned that it's consists of only lowercase and the uppercase letter, no other things. in the question it is mentioned that there is no there is only uppercase and the lowercase letter, no other things like that. Traverse string, when we reach a uppercase letter, transfer the uppercase to a small case and enter space. Correct, Karthik, your approach is correct. Okay guys, I'm waiting for some more answers, like how we can solve this question, how we can like tackle this question. Okay, I'm waiting for some more answers, guys. Let me know in the comments how we can solve this question. Any approaches, guys, how we can solve this question? You can mention your approach in the chat, guys. Guys, I'm waiting for your answers in the chat. Let me know in the chat, guys, any approach, like how we can solve this question. Guys, let me know in the comments how we can solve this question, any approach. Maybe it will be brute force, anything will work. So let me know in the comments like what's your coming in your mind. Let me know in the comments. For I carry and numerate CSTR if char dot is ever converted plus k dot char dot lower else convert plus to char. Okay. What's about the space, Atharu? How we can append the space before, you can say, before every uppercase letter? If I less than CSTM plus 1 and if I plus 1 dot is upper converted as, yes, correct. First traverse the string and check if the character is uppercase, then split it and store it in another string variable. At last, return the string into lowercase. Yes, correct. Okay, guys. Any doubts in the question? First traverse the string. If the next character is uppercase, insert the space and insert the uppercase letter, and so on. And last, convert the uppercase to the lowercase last. Yes, correct. This approach is also correct. Like if you got the approach, just use C++, Java, Python, and put your code in the comments. You can use if you got the approach, just try to solve this question in any of the languages. You can use C++, Java, Python, and put your answers in the chat. Okay, guys. Sir, we can use re.find all. Okay. Okay, correct. Sir, we use to lower and make all character and string to lowercase. Yes. Okay, so if you got the approach, just try to solve this question in any of the languages. You can use C++, Java, Python, and put your answer in the chat, guys. Okay, I'm waiting for your answers. Like I'm giving you like 10 minutes for this question. 10 minutes for this question and put your answer in the chat. You can use any language, C++, Java, Python, anything. Guys, you can use any language, C++, Java, Python, and put your answer in the chat. I am giving you 10 minutes for this question. Uh, okay, def convert string answer equals to empty array for char in as if char dot is answer dot append. Correct, answer dot append char dot over else answer dot append char return join dot answer. Yes, correct, Adit. Your answer is correct. Okay. Def camel case cstr word re dot find out is and cstr conversion. Okay. Okay, so guys, I'm waiting for some more answer. Just put your answer in the chat. You can use any language, C++, Java, Python. You can use any language and put your answer in the chat. Okay. Okay, correct. That is also correct. Okay, clear, guys. The question is clear. If you have any doubts in the first question, just ask right now. If you have any question in the if you have any doubts in the first question, just let me know in the comments. Any doubts, guys, in first question? Yes, yes, yes. Any doubts, guys, in the first one? If you have any doubts, like just ask right now. Sir, how many coding question will be there in TCS NQT? Some websites are showing 3. Most probably there will be 2, either 2 or either 3. But most probably I think there will be 2 question. But it will depend upon the TCS team. Maybe it will 2 or 3. That's it. Can we use inbuilt function? Yes, you have to use inbuilt function, because from the first day I'm saying that start learning HTML in C++, collections in Python, and collection framework in Java, because in the examination you have to solve either 2 or 3 questions in 90 minutes, so you need to use inbuilt function. It will save a lot of time. Okay, so from the first day itself I will be like shouting it like start learning HTML in C++, collections and collection framework in Java. This is the most important thing for your TCS NQT exam. Okay, so start learning right now. This is the thing that I'm be shouting from the first day itself. You have to use inbuilt functions. Yes, yes, you can use Rohit.
And guys, exam date is still same 26 April. So don't stop your preparation. Continue your preparation. Focus on daily basis. This is one of the biggest opportunity for 2024 batch. And guys, like and share the session. We are putting lot of efforts for all of you. This is the final series of our TCS coding. Yes, Lokesh, is the first question completed?
Yeah, I'm waiting for some more answer, then we can move to the second question.
Okay, okay, sure.
Okay, guys. Some I will be giving you like five last minutes. So just put your answer in the chat. After 5 minutes, we will be moving to the second question. And whoever have done the question, just put done in the chat. Okay, guys.
Lokesh, side by side, you can also complete the approach. So it
Yeah.
will good for everyone.
Okay.
Yeah, just
This
let's
is
start.
finally from yes. The examination will be on 26.
Because there is no update as of now. Okay, that the examination date is changed. The examination date is same as 26 April on the portal. And from like by tomorrow, we will get update of TCS NQT admit card. So just wait for the next mail. Okay, guys, like and share the session. These all sessions are for all of you. Yes, Lokesh, you can continue with the approach.
Okay. Yeah. So this is a type 1 question. Okay, as I have discussed, like there will be two question, like type 1 and type 2. This is a type 1 question because this you can see this is the very like simple. You have to iterate and you have to use some if else. So it's like a very simple question. It will be a type 1 question. Okay, so in the question, like what we can do is first we will split the string, okay, based upon the uppercase letter. Like we will split like this. Then we have is, then an, automation, era. Okay, first what we will do is we will create a empty list, and we will split our original list based upon the uppercase letter. You can see this is the one letter, one word. This is a one word. Is a one word, and automation and era. We will create a sample list. Okay, this is the first step. Okay, in the next step what we will do is we will start traversing from the start. Okay, we will take our variable called answer, that is initially empty. What we will do is first we will convert all the uppercase to the lowercase. Okay, so it will be like I will convert this t from uppercase to lowercase, that is it will become small ts. Then I will insert a space, because we have to insert a space after every letter. Okay, in the question it's mentioned that we have to insert a space after each letter. So after converting the lowercase, in the lowercase we will insert a space. Okay, and then I will do the same thing for this one as well. I will convert this from uppercase to lowercase. It will become, that is is, and then I will put a space in it. Okay, and same I will do for all the things. And at the last I will return this final string, that is it will contain, this is an automation error. Clear, guys? Clear? The approach is clear? Any doubts in the question? Any doubts in the first question, guys? Okay, clear. Okay, thank you. Guys, I'm waiting for answers like yes, no, anything regarding the first question, because we will. Can you share this PPT of question? Yes, I will share. Definitely, I will share the solution as well as the PPT part as well. Don't worry. Okay, okay. Clear, clear, clear. Thank you, everyone. Okay. So first question is clear, guys. It's a very easy question and it will be a type 1 question. First question is of this type. Okay, so you can expect this type of question in first question. That is a type 1 question. Clear, guys? Clear, guys? Can we move to the second question, guys? Yes, I will provide the Java solution as well. That is not a big deal. You have to simply like traverse the string and convert uppercase to lowercase and simply insert a space. That is not a big deal. But I will provide a solution after the live class. Okay, don't worry, I will provide C++, Java and Python solution as well. Okay, okay, so can we start the second question, guys? Can we start the second question, guys? Can we start the second question, guys? Yes, no, anything? Okay, yeah. Okay, thank you. So let's start the second question. So first we will read out the question. Okay. So a car company has a record of its profit and loss AI for the next n days. The companies want to arrange the order of these recorded value in such a way that the overall income should never equals to zero. This is the one main important thing. Next, the rearranged value should be a non-increasing order. This is the first important thing. This is the second important thing. Okay. Next, if such a rearrangement is not possible, we have to print impossible. Otherwise, we need to print possible along with the rearranged value for n days. Okay. What is the input format? The first line contains the value of n, and the next n days will contain the value of the values of the share. That is either it will be profit or loss. Okay. So the strategy to solve this question is, first you need to read the question and you need to extract the main thing. Like this is the main thing. This is the first important thing, that the overall income should never be equals to zero. This is the one important thing you need to write down in your paper on in the blank sheet. Next thing, the rearranged value should be non-increasing order. This is the second important thing. Okay. And next, what we have to print? If the arrangement is impossible, we have to print impossible. Otherwise, we have to print possible along with the rearranged value. Okay, this is the question. Okay, so in the question what it is saying is, we are given an array, like you can say we are given an array, let's say 2 3 1 4 5 minus 9 8. Okay, so this denotes that this is the value of the share in particular n days. Okay, so on the first day the value of the share is 2. You can say sorry, the on the first day we will get the profit with the amount of 2. Next day we will be getting 3 1 4 5, and negative means we will be getting loss. Okay, here the positive means profit. Okay, and the negative means loss. Okay, clear, guys? In the array we are given the like either the value will be profit or loss. If the value is positive, we can say that from that day we will be getting some profit, and if the value is negative, then we can say that we will be getting a loss from that day. Clear, guys? Clear, guys? This thing is clear? Any doubts still here, guys? Any doubts still here, guys? If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments, guys. If you have any doubts till now. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And next, what it is mentioned that one condition is the overall income should never be equals to zero. Okay. So what is the overall income means the sum of profit and loss, profit plus loss. Okay. So this is the formula, like the in the question it is mentioned that the overall income should not be less than equals to zero. Okay. So we have to calculate the overall income. How we can calculate the overall income? Overall income will be the sum of profit and the loss. Okay. So let's say this, let's take this example. 2 3 1 4 5 minus 9 8. Okay. What is the summation of profit, guys? What is the summation of profit of this array? What is the summation of profits of this array, guys? Let me know in the comments. What is the profit from this array, guys? Let me know in the comments. What is the summation of profits from this array? 14. Okay. 3 plus 2 5 6 10 15 18. How it is 14? Like study inside how it is 14? Yes, decreasing order. Yes, correct, Rohit. 17. Okay. 13 plus 4 17. How it is 17, Aditya? Like, I'm saying, like, what is the summation of profits? Profit means the value is greater than equals to zero. What is the sum of all the values who is having value greater than zero? That means the positive value. 20, 23. Yes. Oh, so profit. Sorry. I'm asking only about the profit one. I'm not asking about the income. I'm asking only about the profit, like how much profit we get from this array. Yes, the profit is 23. Okay. Yes, this is a profit. And what's the summation of loss, guys? What is the summation of loss? What is the summation of loss, guys? Minus 9, correct? Correct. Because you can see we have only loss in the one day, that is minus 9, and all other values are positive. That's why we would consider is in a profit. Okay. Yeah, minus 9, minus 9. Correct, correct, correct. So then we will calculate the overall income. The overall income will be summation of profit plus loss. That is 23 minus 9. How much, guys? What is the overall income? What is the overall income, guys? 14, correct. So the overall income is 14, which is greater than 0. Okay. You can see the overall income is 14, which is greater than 0. So we can say that it is possible. Okay. This is the one thing. Okay. So if income greater than 0 means our overall income is 0, then we can simply print possible. Okay. If the overall income is greater than 0, then we have to print possible, else we will print impossible. Clear, guys? If my overall income is greater than 0, then that means I need to print possible. it is mentioned in the question. And if my overall income is less than or equals to 0, then I need to print impossible. Clear, guys? Clear? Okay. Any doubts till here, guys? Any doubts till here, guys? Any doubts, guys? Okay. So like in the question, it is mentioned that in case our answer is possible, we need to print the rearranged value. And what is the rearranged value? Rearranged value is non-increasing order. What is the non-increasing order, guys? Let me know in the comments. What is the non-increasing order? What is the non-increasing order, guys? What is the non-increasing order, guys? What is the non-increasing order, guys? Decreasing order. Yes. Decreasing order. Non-increasing means decreasing. That is from highest to lowest. This is the non-increasing. Non-increasing means from highest to lowest. Yes, greater to smaller value. Correct, correct. From greater to smaller, Himanshu. That is incorrect. I'm asking about non-increasing. That is from highest to lowest. What is the highest? What is the highest value in this array? Himanshu, your answer is incorrect. I'm asking about non-increasing order. That is from highest to lowest. What is the non-increasing of this array, guys? Yeah, so that's why the answer will be 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 minus 9, because it is from highest to lowest. 8 is the highest and minus 9 is the lowest. We have to print the non-increasing order, that is from highest to lowest. That's why our output will be 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and minus 9. Clear, guys? Okay, I will be giving you the another test case. Let's take another test case. Yeah, so let's say n value is 3 and the is 1, 8 and minus 9. What is the output, guys, for this test case? 1, 8 minus 9. What is the output for this test case, guys? 1, 8 minus 9. Shyam, yes, impossible. Correct. The answer for this test case is impossible. Correct. Correct. Impossible. No, Rohit, the input is 1, 8 minus 9. There are three elements. 1, 8 and minus 9. So the output will be impossible. Correct. The output will be impossible. The output will be impossible only. Okay. Because the overall income is 0. You can see the income is like you can say 1 plus 8 minus 9. That is 0. If the overall income is 0, that means it is not possible. That's why the output will be impossible. Because the overall income is 0. Okay, and in the question it is mentioned that the income should be greater than equals to greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, then we have to print the possible and the rearranged value. And if the income is less than or equals to 0, then we have to simply print impossible. Clear? Clear, guys? Clear, guys? Any doubts still here? Clear, guys? Okay. So yeah, I will be solving this question in Python, but I will provide the C++ and Java solution as well. Okay. In question, it is mentioned about less than zero. Yeah, in the question, it is mentioned that you can see the overall income is never equals to zero. Means if the income is greater than or greater than zero, then it is possible, else it is not possible. If the income is less than zero, means it is either negative or zero. In that case, it is impossible. Clear? We have to handle that case as well if the income is less than zero. If the income is less than or equals to zero, then we will simply say it is impossible. I will provide the Java solution as well. Don't worry, it's just a simple, like you have to loop through the array and you have to calculate the sum. That is not a big deal. But I will provide the Java and C++ and Python solution after the live class. Okay. So let's do it the quick in Python. Okay. I'll be solving using in Python, but I will provide the Java and C++ solution. Okay. Yeah. So first I will take n as an input. Okay. Then I will take list input. ARR is equals to list map int input dot split. Okay. Then I will calculate the sum of the all the elements. That is the overall income. I can say that is income. Okay. For I in ARR, income plus equals I. If income less than equals to zero, we have to print impossible. Else we need to print possible. Sorry, we need to print possible in this case. Okay. And what we have to do is we have to print in case of possible, we have to print in the decreasing order, that is from highest to lowest. So what I will do is I will first sort the array, and then I will the reverse the array. ARR is equals to ARR colon colon minus 1, and we have to print the array. Yeah, A is equals to any input L list map and input display income is the sum of income greater than zero, print possible and yeah. In case of possible, Himanshu, we need to print the rearranged value, that is from highest to lowest. In case of possible, we need to print the rearranged value, that is from highest to lowest. That's why we will be using. I will be sorting here, and then I will reverse the array. Clear? Clear, guys? Any doubts? Any doubts, guys? Any doubts, guys? Any doubts, guys, in the second question? Clear. That's great. Okay, guys, clear? The second question is clear? The second question is clear, guys? If you have any doubts in the second question, let me know, guys. Otherwise, we will move to the next question. That is the third one. Okay, can we move to the third question, guys? Can we move to the next question, guys? Let me know in the comments. Can we move to the next question, guys? That is the third one. Can we move to the next question, guys? Yes, no. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay. Yeah. So let's move on to the next question. That is the third one. Okay. This is the most of the simplest question out of five. This is the most simplest question out of five, guys. So you can solve like if you see the input and the output, you can easily get the approach, guys. This is the most simplest question out of five. If you see the input and the output, you don't need to read the question. The question is very easy, two liner solution, two or three liner solution. Okay, so I'm giving you like only 5 minutes for this question. Just crack the logic for this question. I'm giving you 5 minutes. Just see the input and output. You can guess the output, like how we can get the output. Just by seeing the input and the output, you will get the approach, guys. That is the most simplest question out of five. And this is the previous year question, okay, of type one. Okay, so I'm giving you the 5 minutes for it. Just if you got the approach, just put your answer in the chat. You can use any language, C++, Java, Python. Just put your answer in the chat, and I'm giving you the 5 minutes for this question. So I have got some approach like print k and print n minus k. Okay, number of candies sold is k, number of candies available is n minus k. Yes, correct, guys. That is the most simplest question I can say. Okay. Yes, correct. Himanshu, your code is correct. Correct, guys. Okay, that's why I said this is the most simplest question. That is max to max 3 to 4 liner solution. Okay. Sir, if successful pass all the test case in the one code question is possible to call register. Yes, yes, you can expect if you solve like one question fully and second question like 1 to 2 test case, chances are there you will get the digital role. Okay, but again that is totally dependent upon the TCS team, but you can expect most probably. Clear, guys? This is the simplest question out of five. Okay, so you have to simply like print and print and n minus k. You can see 10 minus 3, 3 and 7. That is n minus k. And gone. The question is gone. Clear, guys? That's why I said the most simplest question out of five. Clear, guys? Any doubts in the third question? Because like I guess there is no doubts in the third because there is nothing in the third question. Okay, the most simplest question. Clear, guys? Clear, guys? Still here? Yes, sir, but only mixed story in the question. Yes, Rohit, that is the big deal. Like, this is the specialty of the TCS examination. They will make a long story, okay? And the solution will be really. That's why I'm saying from the day one, they will provide a huge story like one paragraph, two paragraph story. You do not need to write, you do not need to read the story, okay? आपको story read नहीं करना है, मैं से बोल रहा हूँ. टीसीएस में ऐसे क्वेश्चन आते हैं, सॉल्यूशन बहुत सिंपल रहता है लेकिन बच्चे अटकते कहाँ पर है कि स्टोरी देख के वो देख रहे थे कि अरे स्टोरी कितनी बड़ी, इसका सॉल्यूशन क्या होगा. आपको स्टोरी नहीं देखना, सबसे पहले आपको इनपुट एंड आउटपुट देखना है. जैसे दिस लाइक इन दिस क्वेश्चन you can easily see like with by seeing input and output you can easily guess the approach, okay? You do not need to read the whole question because in the question it is mentioning some story, okay? Sir, always see input and output, then I, yes, that is the correct approach, Rohit. Good. First read the input and output, then only after read the question. This is the most important thing for the teachers exam, okay? Because in the question they will mention a huge story in the paragraph. You do not need to read the whole story, nothing. You need to just see the input and the output, and that's it. And if you are not able to guess by input and output, then you need to read the story, okay? Yes, Rohit. First read the input, output, and if you got the approach by seeing input and output, that is the best thing. If you not got the approach by seeing input and output, then you need to read the story, okay, of the question. Okay, can you move to the next question, guys? Can we move to the next question, guys? Okay, so let's move on to the second question. Jack and Jill are playing string game. Jack has given Jill two string, that is A and B. Jill has to derive a string C from A by deleting elements from string A such that string C does not contain any element from string B. This is the important thing. Okay. Jill needs help to do this task. She wants a program to do this as she is lazy. Given two string A and B, you need to output C as output. When we have to print the invalid output, if my k value is greater than equals to n, if my k value is greater than equals to n or k value is less than 0, then we have to print invalid output. Yes, Rohit, correct. Okay, so in the question what we are given is, we are given two string, that is A and B. We have to derive a third string, that is C. We have to find a string C that will contains the character from string A and the character that is not present in the string B. So let's take an example. So A, let's say our string is tiger and our B string is ti. So we need to remove, so we need to derive a string C which contains the character from A and the character which is not present in B. You can see T is present here, T is also present in the B. So we can remove this character. Okay, we need to delete this character. Next, we will get I. I is also present here, I is also present here. So we can remove from the first string. And G is not present in the B string. So we will take in the C string. Same, E is not present. We can take E in the C string. And we will, then we have R. R is also not present in B string. Then we will take R in the C string. So our final output will be G, E, R. You can see. Okay. So in string C, what we have to take is we have to take all the character that is not present in string B. Okay. We have to take the uncommon character from string A and B. This is the question. We have to take the uncommon character from A, uncommon character from A. This is the question. If I in A, if I not in B, result yes, yes, Imanshu, correct. Okay. So we can see the second input. One more example. Okay, let's take one more example. Our example is processed. PROCESSED. A string is processed and B string is ESD. What is the output, guys? What is the output for this test case, guys? What is the output for this test case, guys? A string A is processed and string B is ESD. PROC, correct? Because you can see P is not present, that's why we will take P. R is not present in the B, we will take R as well. O is not present, we will take O. C is also not present, we will take C as well. Then E is present here, we can skip it. E S is present, skip it. S is also present, skip it. E is present, we can skip it. And D it is present, we can skip it. So that's why our output is PROC. Clear, guys? The output is clear, guys, how we are getting the output. Yes, we can use set mail, that is correct. Like guys, if you got the question, just put your approaches, like whatever approaches that is coming to your mind, just put your answer in the chat, like how we can solve this question, how we can solve this question. How we can solve this question, guys? Just put your approaches in the comments. How we can solve this question, guys? How we can solve this question, guys? Just put your answer in the comments. Okay, just put your approaches in the comments, guys, like how we can solve this question. Okay, just put your approaches in the comments, guys. I'm waiting for your answers. Another solution in Java, first concatenation of two string and then use hash map and print which is value greater than 1. Okay. I guess that will not work here. Any other approaches, guys? Any other approaches, guys, how we can solve this question? There are many approaches for this question. Maybe it will be brute force. The like I'm giving you the hint, we can use like hash set or dictionaries sets. We can use anything. 2 pointers. Yes, we can do that as well. Correct. Yeah. Oh, okay, Aditya. Okay, Aditya, I will solve this question in CPP. Don't worry. For 0 minus b dot length, a dot replace all b dot caret I, come on. Okay. Yes, Sham. That is also correct. Concatenate. Okay. Any other approaches, guys? Maybe it will be brute force. Just put your answer in the chat. Any approach you can use, like sat, hash sat. Maybe you can use dictionaries as well. Okay. And you can simply use by the using of for loops as well by iterating. Two pointers, we can also use two pointer as well. That is also correct. Clear, guys? Like just put your answer in the chat, guys. Just put your approaches in the comments, guys. I'm giving you like 2 minutes, 2 more minutes for this question, and then we can move to the solution part. Just put your approaches in the comments. Put elements of a string be in a set and use a for loop to a if the character is present in set or not. Yes, correct, Raghav. That is correct. Set. Yes, correct, correct, correct. Set dot add. Correct, correct, correct. Correct, Rohit. Correct, Raghav. Guys, I'm waiting for your answers. Just put your approaches. Maybe anything you can use. Maybe it will be brute force, optimize. Not a big deal. Just anything. Just put your answer in the chat. Just put your approaches in the chats, guys. सर अगर हम एप्टीट्यूड में अच्छा करें एंड कोडिंग में 1 या 1 पर सॉल्व करें तो कौन सा पैकेज मिल सकता है? You can expect digital, but again that is totally dependent upon the TCS team. Aditya, you can expect if you solve like 1 or 1.5 out of 2, then you can expect digital profile. And again that is dependent upon the TCS team. Guys, like I'm waiting for your answers. Just put your answer in the chat, otherwise we will move to the like the solution of this question. A is equals to tiger, B is equals to Ti for I and B. Okay, A is equals to A dot replace I with space print A. Okay, that is also correct. Okay, so let's discuss like how we can solve this question. Okay, so like one of the easiest approach we can use, like you can say that is a brute force. What you can do is you let's say our string A is tiger and string B is Ti, and you will take a temporary string that is C, that is our final answer. Okay, what we can do is we will start traversing from the start of our A, that is T. We will check if it is present in the second string or not. If it is present in the second string, then we can skip this character. That is T is present, we can skip it. Then we got I is present in the B string, we can simply skip B as well. Then we got C is not present in the B string, then we can append C string here. Next we get E is again not present in the second string, we can append E here. Then we got r is not present in b, then we get r. So that's why our final answer will be GER. That is the one simplest approach. You can say the brute force. Simplest or brute force. Okay, this is the simplest and the brute force approach. Clear, guys? By using two for loops. We'll be using two for loops, one for loop for a string and the second for loop for string b. Clear, guys? This is the most simplest approach, or you can say the brute force approach. Clear, guys? Clear, guys? The brute force approach is clear. That is the simpler approach by using two for loops. Clear? Okay. Yeah. So the like let's discuss another approach. The second approach is we can use a set here. Okay. What we will do is first I will take a set. Okay. Yes. I will show you the code. Just wait for some time. Okay. What we will take a set that is called S. Okay. Let's take a set. And first I will insert all the character from string B into the set. That is, I will insert T in the set and also I will insert I in the set. Clear? What I will do is first I will take a set of characters. I will insert all the character from string B to string to a set. Okay. I will take all the character from string B and insert in a set. That is T and I. Clear? Clear? Okay. Then what we can do is we will start traversing from the A string. We will check if the current character is there in the set or not. That is T. T is present in the set, we can skip it. I is also present in the set, we can skip it. G is also present, G is not present in the set, we can take G. That is E is not present in the set, we can take E as well here. Next is R. R is not present in the set, we will take R. Okay, so this is the final output, that is GER. Clear, guys? By using set, like how we can do. Clear? Clear, guys? Okay, so let's solve this question in CPP because I've got one comments like solve question in C++. So that's why I'll be solving this question in CPP, but I will provide the Java and Python solution as well. Okay. Hash include bit standard cpp.h using namespace standard and main function. Okay, I will be solving in C++, but I will provide the Java and the Python code as well. Okay, and parallelly you can solve in Python also because the approach is very similar. Like you have to use a set and simply do the perform the operation. Okay, so parallelly I will be solving in C++. Parallelly you can solve in Python also. Okay, and put your answer in the chat. First I will take two string, that is A and B, and then I will take the input A. B, I will make a set of character, that is st for auto B, for auto I colon B. I will st dot insert I. Okay, string, I will take string C for answer. For auto I colon string A, if I will use find function, if st dot find I is equals to st dot end, if the character this is the condition, like if the character from the first string is not present in the second string, then we have to take the current character. Okay, so C plus equals to I. Okay, and at the last I will be printing C. That is our final answer. Clear, guys? C plus, guys, where is the C plus plus guy? Like one guy has asked me. Yes, Aditya Kumar. Clear? This is the code in C++. Clear? Clear, guys? Aditya Kumar, like you are asking me to code in CPP, so here is the solution. Okay, clear, guys? Any doubts, guys, in the fourth question, or we can move ahead? Any tips about today's Geeks for Geeks jobathon? Athar, like you can do like I guess every week or month they will conduct a Geeks for Geeks jobathon. So you can give it as a practice one. Okay, I guess there will be three coding question and some MCQs based upon it. So you can expect like the first question easy, the second question is medium, and the last question will be of the, you can say, medium to hard level. Okay, so just give that question that contest as like the practice one. Okay, and if you're not able to solve the question, don't worry, just see the editorial, because it will improve your like problem solving approach. Your like you got to know about the new things, like you will get experience of real world, the online assessment, like how we have to appear in the online test. Okay. Okay, guys, if you have any doubts in that fourth question, just let me know in the comments. Otherwise, we'll be moving to the next question. If you have any doubts in fourth question, just let me know in the comments. Can you tell me the condition if statement in loop? Okay. Okay, Aditya. What I have done is I have taken a set and insert all the character from string B into the set, and then I will traverse in the first string, and this is the function. Like we have to check if the character is present or not in the second in the set. Okay. I will be using find function. I will be writing like if st dot find I is equals to st dot end. This means the ith character is not present in the set. Okay, if the current character is, we have to check if the current character is present in the set or not. If the current character is not present in the set, then we have to take the current character. Okay, this is the if condition for checking if the character is present in set or not. Okay, you can read more about STL. So from the day one I will be shouting it like start learning STLs in C++, collections in Python, and collection framework in Java. Okay, so start learning STL, it is most important thing. I can solve public test cases in Jobathon, but cannot solve private test cases in submission. Yes, Athar, maybe you are missing some edge cases, or you are missing some condition. That's why you are like your private test cases are failing. You can like see the approaches of other guys, like how they are solving. You can read the editorials, and you can figure it out, like what I have missed in the contest. Sir, I know the theoretical part, but whenever I do code, I get blocked. I what should I do? Practice, 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 Mehul. Practice in the is the one thing. Okay, if you know the theoretical concept, that is good. Then move to the practice part. Okay, because in the test and in the interviews, they will expect the theoretical knowledge as well as the implementation knowledge. Okay, so in test you have to write the code. Okay, so the implementation is very useful, and also in the interviews they will ask you to write the code. Okay, so just start practicing the questions from different website. I can recommend like start from HackerRank, then go to Lead Code, Code Chefs, Geeks for Geeks, and start practicing the question, and start giving the live contest. You can day by day you will be get a better. Okay, this is the one thing. If you have any doubts, guys, just let me know in the comments regarding the this question and regarding the coding part. We have to write full code only logical. We have to write full code, Purva. We have to write the full code, that is the input, output, main function, all the things we have to write. Like, if guys, if you have any doubts, just let me know in the comments. Next question, okay? Yes, sir. We will wait like 2 to 3 minutes, then we will move to the next question. Like, guys, if you have any doubt, just ask right now. Class we have used. Like what you're trying to say, Purva, class we have used in Python. In Python, you can directly write the input and the output. Like in Python, we do not need to write the main function or the class. You directly need to take the input, and write your logic and write the output. Sir, I have written the exam on 9 to 5 on campus. I have applied again. I'm eligible. Yes, you are eligible. Sir, write a code in Java. I will provide the Java solution as well after the live class. Don't worry. Just focus on the concept, guys. Okay. Just focus on the concept. I will provide the Java and C++ solution. Clear, guys? Any doubts? Can we move to the next question? I have solved all the coding question, but your playlist and driver and code sheet, is this enough? Yes, yes, Anupam. If you have seen our playlist, like we have solved more than 40 plus question. If you have seen our playlist and you have solved the question from driver sheet, that is more than enough for TCS NQT. Okay. Clear, guys? Can you move to the next question? That is the fifth one. Can we move to the next question, guys? Take bonus. Athar, what you are trying to say, like take bonus to hard question means like, can we move to the next question, guys? Can we start the fifth question? Okay. That is the last question of our today's marathon class. Okay, in today's marathon, can you take bonus question which have hard difficulty? Athav, like we have already solved 5 questions, and if you have to solve the question hard level, then you can practice on like hacker rank, lead code, or geeks for geeks. Okay. Because like I'm also having a time foundation, because as you know, I'm also a working professional, and also I'm getting like there is weekends, like only Saturday and Sunday I'll be getting, so I will be taking some rest. I have to do some like my family works as well, but I'm also having my family responsibility. That's why I'll be like I will be putting a lot of effort for all of you guys. Okay, and you need to understand like after even working professional, I'm working in the night. Also, I'm having my family. I have to take my family responsibilities, and only I'm getting the 2 days for the rest and all the things. So you need to understand now. Even I'm like on the weekends, I'm taking the class. Like yesterday, we have also taken coding session and also the Q&A session, and today also I'm taking the marathon class. So you need to understand like how much efforts I'm putting. Like even after like I will be like I'm working and I'm managing my both the things, that is this there's the TCS NQT and my like the professional one. Okay, so you need to understand like a that is very difficult, because I have to manage a lot of things. Like I have to create first I need to find the question, then I need to create a PPT, then I need to write the solution for all the three languages like C++, Java, Python. I need to create a PPT. I need to set up for my YouTube. I need to have my family responsibilities as well, and and also there are a lot of things going on. Okay, so you need to understand, guys, because I'm managing a lot of things parallelly. Okay, so you need to understand. Clear, guys? Clear, guys? And I'm only putting this lot of effort only for you guys, because like from the 31st of March, I'm daily taking live classes like 2 questions per day, and on Sundays I'm conducting marathon. Okay, so you need to understand like in the last 15 days I have put in a lot of effort for all of you guys. Okay, so I need support from all of you guys, because in the last 15 days I have like literally like I'm like parallelly managing my work as well as my family as well as this for TCS NQT thing. Okay, so you need to understand, and I need support from all of you guys. Just like, share and subscribe to the channel, and share this playlist as much as you can. Okay, guys? Clear? Clear, guys? Can we start the last question of today's marathon class? And at the last, I will be giving you some last moment tips and tricks for TCS NQT. Okay? So after solving this question, I will be giving you the last minute mantra for TCS examination. Okay? Some tips and tricks for TCS NQT. Okay? Great. Okay. Okay, so stay tuned. So first, let's wrap up this question, and then I will be giving you the mantra for the TCS examination. That is the last moments tips and tricks for TCS NQT. Okay, yeah. So just like we can solve this question. First, we will read out the question. So this is our like the you can say the final. That is the fifth question. Okay. So first, we will read out the question. Alice and her friends are playing a game of verbal kho. Alice is acting as a mediator, and the rest of n friends are seated on n chairs, on each. Alice started by providing a paper with a single digit number of friend present at number 1. Let's denote the friend by F, where F will be the size of n, that is from F of 1 to F of n, represent the friends seated respectively. After receiving the paper with a digit, that is F1 will enact and try to tell F2 without speaking. Similarly, F will communicate to the next person, that is F3, and this process continue until the last person Fn understood the digit. Finally, the last person will write all the digit on the separate paper and will give Alice to Alice. Alice will compare both the paper. If the digits are similar, then Alice will give T-shirt to each friend. However, if the digits does not match, Alice will ask digits from each friend, and she will offer the T-shirt to only those one who have understood the digits correctly. Given n number of friends and a digit array D denoting the digits understood by each of the friend, find out how many of Ali's friends have not interacted well or did not understand the previous friend correctly. This is the question. Okay, so you can see this type of question you can expect in your examination, because like they will make some like story, like in this question they have said a story like there is a n friends, they are playing some game that is Coco, and they are like seated one after another, that is first friend, second friend, third friend, fourth friend. Okay, so like that they are giving you some story, but you do not need to worry about the story, you need to extract the main thing from the question. Okay, this type of question you can expect in the examination. Okay, the story based. Okay guys, clear? Clear guys? Okay, can we move ahead guys? Yes, no, anything? Can we move ahead guys? Any doubts in the question? Yes, no? Any doubts still here guys? Any doubts guys still here? Let me know in the comments. Yes, no, anything? Okay, so let's try out the question, like what it is trying to say. We have to simple compare between each element. Yes, yes, Anupam. So in the question it is mentioned that allies will give a number to there are n friends that are seated, like you can say this is the first friend, second friend, third, fourth, and so on up to n. Okay, that is given in the question. There are n friends that are playing a game, and they are seated one after another. Okay, you can see first friend, second friend, third, fourth, and so on up to n friends. Okay, allies will give a number to its first friend. Okay, let's say the allies is giving a number 4 to this first friend. Okay, what this first friend have to do, you have to that number, like allies is given a number to the first person, and he need to pass the number to the next person. Okay, so let's say Alice has given 4 to the first person, then he need to pass this number to the second person, that is this one. And same, the second person need to pass to the third person, and the third person need to pass to the fourth person, and so on up to n, that is the last person. N will be the last person. Okay, so he need to tell the number from Alice will pass will tell a number to its like the first person, and first person will transfer to the second person, second to the third, third to the fourth, and fourth to the fifth, and so on up to the end, that is the last person. Okay, this is the one thing. Clear guys? Clear guys? This is the one thing. Jayesh, you can join our official Telegram channel, or you can see that in the description of our each video we will provide the solution. You can join our YouTube Telegram channel and the WhatsApp group. So we have to update our range and -1 using for loop. Yes, Athar. Yeah. So what we have to do is we have to we have to find the count of friends which who have not guessed the number correctly. Okay, so let's take an example. So let's say there are 3 friends. You can see in the first input n value is 3. So you can see there are 3 person. Okay, that is the first person, second person, and the third person. Okay, and this is the digits array, digits that is guessed by the ith person. Like the first person has guessed 4, the second person have also guessed 4, the third person is also guessed 4. Okay, and Alice has told, like in the question it is mentioned that Alice will told the digit to the first array, like Alice has told the number 4 to the first friend. Okay, and this person have passed number 4 to the second person, so number second person is also got 4, and again the third person have passed number 4 to the third one, so the last member has also got the fourth one. Okay, so you can see all the members have guessed the number correctly, that is originally the number is 4, and the last and you can see all the members have guessed the number correctly, that is 4 is the original number. So you can see first member is also guessed 4, second member is also guessed 4, and the third member is also guessed 4. That's why our output will be 0. In the question it is asking that how many members have guessed the number incorrectly. Okay, so you can see our original number is 4. So first person have guessed 4, second person is also guessed 4, and the fourth last person is also guessed 4. All the members have guessed the number correctly. That's why our output will be 0. That is, no person have guessed the correct number incorrectly. Clear, guys? This is the question. Clear, guys? Clear, guys? Clear, guys? Any doubts in the question? Sir, please explain another test example. Yeah. So let's take another example. So n value is 5. There are 5 friends. So allies have told number 1 to first friend. Then first member have passed, and the second member have guessed 2. Third member have guessed 1. Fourth have guessed 3, and fifth have guessed 1. You can see the original number is 1. Okay, so you can see original number is 1, but this the second person have guessed 2. That is incorrect. That's why we will increase the count. That is, one person have correct the number incorrectly. Okay, this is 1. 1 is equals to the original number, so you can say this is the correct guess. Next one is 3. 3 is not equals to 1. We can say this guess is also incorrect, so we will increase the frequency. Okay, and the last, the number is 4. You can say that is, 4 is not equals to our original number, so the guess is incorrect, so we will increase the answer. So our final answer will be 3 for this test case. You can see, because there are 3 misses. The second person have guessed the number incorrectly, the fourth member have guessed the number incorrectly, and the last person have guessed the number incorrectly. That's why the output will be 3. That is, we have to count the person who have guessed the number incorrectly. That is 3. 1, 2, and 3. Clear? Now the question is clear. Now the question is clear. Okay, let's take another example. Let's take another test case. Okay, okay, so let's take another example. That is 7, 1 2 1 3 1 5 5 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So what is the answer for this test case, guys? What is the answer for this test case? What is the answer for this test case, guys? What is the answer for this test case, guys? Mm, okay, 1 2 3. Correct. Correct. Correct, Anupam. Your answer is correct. Incorrect. What is the output, Raghav? 0. How it is 0? Like, what is the answer for this test case? 1 2 1 3 1 5 1. What is the output for this test case, guys? What is the answer for this test case, guys? Let me know in the comments. What is the output for this test case? 3. Yes, correct, Rathar. The output is correct. 3 3 3. Correct, correct. 3. Correct. Correct, correct, correct. 3 is the correct answer for this test case. Clear, guys? The question is clear. How is the, like, how we are getting 3 as an output for this test case? The output is clear, guys. How we are getting 3 for this test case? If you have any doubts, like, just ask right now. If you have any doubts. Okay. Great. If you have any doubts regarding this question, just ask right now. If you have any doubts in this question, just ask right now, guys. Explain logic again. Okay, I will explain it again. But the question is clear now. How we are getting 3 as an output for this test case. Okay, I will explain again. So let's take this example. Okay, so like here the n value is 7. So you can see there are 7 friends. Okay, so you can see the first the original number is, you can say the original number is 1. Okay, start is error for line of count and print count. Okay, correct. Sham, your approach is correct. So guys, like we are given 7 friends and the original number is 1, and we have to count the friends who have guessed the number incorrectly. Like first person have guessed the number 1, that is correct because the original number is 1 and this number is also 1. So you can say the first number, the first guess is correct. The second person has guessed the number 2, that is incorrect. That's why we will increase the frequency, that is one person have guessed the number incorrectly. Next is 1. This is the same as the original number, so we can say this is correct guess. This is again not matching, we can say that is the incorrect match. Again it is matching, we can say that is the correct guess. And this 5 and 1 is not matching, you can say this is the incorrect guess. And this one is matching, you can say it is matching. So you can say our final answer will be 1 1 1, that is 3. Yeah, the original number will be the starting number, the starting number will be the original number. Clear guys? Clear guys, how we are getting 3 as an output for this test case? Any doubts guys in the question? Any doubts guys? Any doubts guys? Yes, correct. Clear guys? Any doubts guys till here, or we can move to the coding part guys? If you have any doubts in the question, just ask right now, else we will move to the coding part. Rohit, I will provide the Java solution as well, but let's just focus on the logic and the concept. Okay, I will provide the Java solution, Python and C++ solution after the live class. Just focus on the logic part. Okay. Okay, yeah. So let's do it quickly in Python. So I will be taking n as an input. Then I will take arr is equals to list map of n comma input dot split. Okay, and then I will take incorrect, that is 0, and original number is equals to arr of 0, that is the first one for I in arr. If I is not equals to original, then incorrect plus equal 1, and then I need to print incorrect. This is the code guys. Clear guys? Clear, guys? The examination date is 26, guys. Please show. Okay. Okay, so let me quickly do this question in C++ as well. So hash C hash include bit standard cpp dot h using namespace standard int main. Okay, return 0 int n c in n vector int arr of size n. Okay, I is equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, c in arr of I. Okay, and incorrect. Incorrect is equals to 0, and original is equals to arr of 0 for auto I colon arr. If I is not equals to original, then incorrect plus plus. Okay, I will do incorrect plus plus, and at the last I will be printing incorrect. This is the code in C++, guys. Clear? Survive vector instead of int arr. You can use that as well. You can use int arr or you can use vector. You can use anything. That is not a big deal. Vector is basically a dynamic array. Okay, and it is provided in the C++ STL class. Instead, you can use a static array like int arr of size n. You can do that as well. That is not a big deal. Vector is a dynamic array that is present in C++ STL. It is same as the array. That is not a big deal. Clear, guys? Sir, one question, test case inside the int main directly on int function and void main separately. No, you have to write inside the main function. All the things you have to write inside the main function only. You have to write directly inside the main function. Clear, guys? Any doubts? Like any doubts in the last question, guys? You can ask. Okay. If you have any doubts in the last question, ask right now. Okay, otherwise I will tell you the final mantra of that is the tips and tricks from TCS NQT examination. If the question is clear, then I will give you the final mantra of the TCS NQT exam. That is the last moment tips and tricks for TCS NQT. Okay, that is the last agenda of this session. Clear, guys? Clear, guys? Clear, guys? Now tell about the exam mantra. Yes, Ujjwal, just wait for 2 to 3 minutes. I will tell you the final tips and tricks for TCS NQT examination. Just wait. Yes, Rajshekhar, we will definitely provide all the solution in one PDF. Definitely, we will provide. We will provide all the solution will and with the solution as well as the question in all the three languages, that is C++, Java, and Python. Okay, we will share. We will share. Okay, clear, guys? Can we start the last agenda of today's marathon class? That is the tips and tricks for TCS NQT examination. The last mantra. I cannot find previous live playlist to revise. Okay, this is the playlist. I'm sharing the link in the chat. This is the previous. This is the TCS NQT playlist. You can find all our previous classes here. This is the playlist for our TCS NQT previous live classes. Clear, guys? Can we start the most important agenda for today? That is the tips and tricks for TCS NQT. Clear, guys? Because this is the last session of coding part. Okay, I understand the situation, like we need to continue till 25, but there is some situation that is going on. That's why this is the last class of the TCS NQT coding part, and that's why I have taken one marathon class, and also I'm concluding the coding part, like all the things related to coding in one particular 10 to 15 minutes in the today's class. So I will be giving you some tips and tricks for TCS NQT. Okay, that is the last class. I'm concluding the coding part for TCS NQT till here. Okay, this is the last thing. Okay, this is the last class for our coding. Okay, guys. I have shared. Like the playlist link is already pinned in the comment section. You can find all our live classes. Okay. Yes. Yes, Azhar. Just wait for some more minutes. I will share the mantras. Because this is the last class over coding. Okay, so due to some situation, I will be not taking the class till 25, so that's why I have planned this marathon. This is the last session, this is the conclusion session for TCS NQT, and I will giving you some tips and tricks for TCS NQT. Okay, can we start, guys? Can we start the most important part of today's marathon class? Can we start, guys? Okay, let's start. So one of the main important thing in the TCS exam is do not do not waste much time in one question. Okay. So in the TCS, let's talk about the foundation section only. So in the foundation section, we have 20 to 25 minutes for each of the section. Okay, we have aptitude, reasoning, and verbal section. So we have like 20 to 25 minutes for each of the section. So do not waste much time on one question. At max, take 1 to 1.5 minutes. If you are able to solve the question in 1 to 1.5 minutes, that is okay, that is good. Otherwise, just move on, because I have seen people like they got stuck in one question, and the later stages they will got some easy question, but due to time foundation they will not able to solve the easy question. Okay, and this is the favorite thing of TCS, that is in the beginning they will put some hard question, and in the last section they will put some easy question in the last 5 or 6 question. So just do not waste much time more on it. Okay, TCS will give hard question in the start and it will give the easy question at the end, because most of the people have done the mistake, like they have wasted a lot of time in the start, that is in the hard question. Okay, and due to this they will not able to solve the easy question, and they have gone. So this is the most important thing, guys. Don't waste much time on each question, just 1 to 1.5 minute, or at max 2 minutes per question. That is more than enough. 2 minutes, 1.5 minutes, enough. If you are able to solve, that is good, otherwise just move on. Clear, guys? This is the most important thing for time management in TCS, because I have seen most of the people, they are not able to they will not able to take the question to the end. Okay, okay, this is the most important mantra for TCS, that is a time management skill. You have to tackle how many time I need to take for each of the question. You need to manage your time. Okay, This is the most important thing. Clear, guys? No, we cannot switch between the section. We cannot switch between the section, Rani. That is the important thing. That's why I'm saying just focus on your time management skills. Don't waste much time on either one question. If you are able to solve the question in 2 minutes, it's okay. Otherwise, just move on, because this is the like the favorite thing of TCS. They will put some hard or some brainstorming question in the start, and at the end they will put some easy question. Okay, and the person who have a proper time management skill, they will easily solve all the questions. Okay, so this is the main thing. Don't waste much time on one question. At most 1.5 to 2 minutes is more than enough for one question. Star, I'm not sure about the question in same section, but we will if we get any info, we will tell you. I guess till previous year we were able to switch between the question in the same sections, but this year we cannot guess anything. Okay, so don't waste much time. At most you will spend 2 minutes in one question. If you are able to solve the question 2 minutes, that is okay. Otherwise, just move on, because we need to at least attempt all the question. That is important. Okay, clear? At least you have to attempt all the questions. There is no negative marking in the examination, so you have to attend all the questions. Clear, guys? The second important thing is attempt all the questions. Okay, so as you not know that there is no negative marking in the TCS examination. So if you are not able to crack the question, you can guess the answer also. Just do not you have to attempt all the question. If you are able to solve, that is good. If you are not able to solve, just put a random answer. You have to at least attempt all the questions. Okay, you do not need to miss any question. Just attempt all the questions in the examination. There is no negative marking in TCS, so just try to attempt maximum question. Okay, clear? Clear, guys? Now the most important thing for coding part. Okay, for coding part, the most important thing for coding part. First, see input and output. Okay, so in TCS there is some long story in the question. So see in our third question, it is like the story is big, but you can see with the help of input and output you can easily guess the approach. Okay, so first thing you have to do for the coding part is you have to first see the input and the output. Like you can see the input and you can guess the output, like how the calculation is going on and how we are getting the output from input. You do not need to read the question in the first time. First you need to see the input and the output, like how we are getting the output from the input. This is the important thing, because in TCS they will mention a long story, and if you read the story, then you got stuck and you will waste a lot of time in your examination. Okay, guys, so this is the most important thing. First see the input and the output. This is the important thing. Clear? First see the input and output. Do not read the direct story in the question. If you read the story, then you got stuck. I will definitely if you directly read the question, then you will definitely got stuck. So first read the take see the input, see the output, like how we are getting the output from the input. This is the important thing. Clear? Clear, guys? Okay, next thing. If you are able to guess the approach by seeing input and output, then that is okay. Just do nothing. Just do not read the question. If you got the approach with the help of input and the output, just simply write the code and submit it. Okay, And if you are not able to guess the question, then try to read the question, okay, and make important points, okay. So as I have as I have discussed in my like previous live classes also, just write the important points from question in your white paper, or your you will get a rough sheet for rough work. So write important points from the question in your rough sheet, okay. Write important points in your rough sheet after reading the question. This is the important thing. Clear? Clear, guys? This is the important thing. After reading the question, you have to write point by write some like random 2 3 point anything. That is the important thing in the question. Okay, just write that point in your rough sheet. Clear? Clear, guys? Okay. Next thing. After you have read the question and you have extracted the main things from the question, just try to write the solution in brute force, okay. Don't directly jump on the optimized part. Just write the some brute force solution, because in TCS it will happen that the brute force solution will also accepted, okay. So first try to write the brute force solution. Don't directly think about like the optimized solution or like the DP solution and the optimized solution. Don't directly think on the optimized solution. Just first try to write the brute force solution, okay. Just try to write the brute force solution and try to submit it. If it got accepted, that is the best thing. You cannot do anything, okay. That is the best thing. If the brute force solution is accepted in the question, that is the a very good thing, okay. Because sometimes it happens that the TCS have the brute force solution is also got accepted in the examination. So first, try to write the brute force solution and submit it. And if it passes all the test cases, that is good. And if some test cases are failing, then try to optimize it a little bit by using some algorithm. You can say sorting or using some data structures and something like that. Okay, clear? Clear, guys? Okay. Next thing. uh, the next thing, if you are able to solve the question, that is good. That is the one thing. If you solve the question and it's got accepted, if question is solved, then that is good, okay. If the question is accepted, like if your solution is accepted, that is good thing. That's the one thing. if 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 you are not able to crack the logic, or you are not able to solve the question, then that is not a recommended thing. But I will suggest you, like, we have like public and private test cases, okay. In the examination, the public and private test cases are there. So I'm telling you, in case you have let's say you have like last 10 minutes and you are not able to crack the question and you are not getting any approaches, so in that case you have to use this approach. It is not recommended, guys, okay. But I'm telling you for the last moment, like if you have last 10 minutes and you are not able to crack the question and you are like not getting the question, not getting the solution, then in the last 10 minutes, what you have to do, you have to write all the public you can see the public test case. So you have to write all your public test case in the if else part, okay. You have to directly hard code the public test case, like if input is this, output is this, if input is this, the output is this. I know this is not a good way, not a recommended way, but for the last 10 minutes, like if you are not able to crack the logic, then you can do this thing, because you will get some partial marks like that. You will get some partial marks, okay, guys. Okay, clear? Yes, Azhar. It is not a good way, not a recommended way, but I'm telling you for the last 10 minutes. Like if you have like the last 10 minutes and if you are not getting any approaches, you are not able to solve this question, then you can do this thing and you will get some partial marks. Okay. Instead of zero, partial marks will be like a plus point for you. Okay. So yeah, I I know this is not a good way of solving question, but I'm telling you like for the partial marks only. Clear, guys? Yeah, it is clear but not recommended. Correct, Ravi. I'm telling you only for the last 10 minutes. If the time is like if you have very less time or you have like last 10 minutes, you can use this approach. Otherwise, don't go for this approach, guys. Okay? Clear? Clear, guys? Yeah. By we can expect most probably by Monday we can expect the hall ticket. And if we got any info, we will definitely post a video regarding that. Okay? Don't worry about it. By Monday, we can expect by Monday most probably. It's useful tips, sir, and we will surely try this if I'm not able to solve. Thanks, Azhar. You can definitely apply this this trick. Okay. Then can you please share all the coding coordinates from day one? Sarthak, you can see we have pinned our playlist link in the comments. You can see our previous videos. Okay. And now I'm telling you like how you have to do the revision. Like we have last 4 to 5 days, so I'm telling you the strategy for the last 4 to 5 days. Okay. So like we have already provided you the playlist. Like I have pinned the link of the playlist in the comments. So what you have to do is daily you have to watch at least 3 to 4 videos or maybe five. It's dependent upon to you. Just try to see our previous live classes already, because we have created a separate playlist for all our live classes. So just try to see like 4 to 5 videos daily and try to revise the concepts. Okay, so in our live classes and in our previous marathon also we have discussed some DSA concepts as well, and I have already solved 40 plus previous year question of TCS. So try to revise the concept from our previous live classes. Okay, so we have uploaded more than like 35 plus videos in our TCS NQT playlist. Just try to revise the concept from our previous live classes and try to solve the question. Practice is the important thing. Just try to see our previous live classes and try to revise the question from our playlist. Okay, this is the last strategy for last to 4 5. Do not learn any new concept in the last 4 to 5 days. That is not not a recommended way. I will tell you, do not try to learn any new topic in the last 4 5 days. Okay, because this 4 5 days is for only revision only. Okay, so do not try to learn any new topic in your last 4 to 5 days. This is clear. Okay, do not try to learn any new topic maybe in aptitude reasoning. Do not try to learn any new topic in your last 4 to 5 days. The last 4 5 days is only for the revision part. You need to revise all the concept that we have discussed in our previous live classes. Okay, clear, guys? Clear, guys? So yeah, so that is all about my side. Like I have told you like strategy, I have given you some tips and tricks, the last moments mantras for teachers examination. I have told you what's your strategy for last 4 5 days. So just follow our strategy and just remember the tips and tricks that I have given you. Like I have given you some 4 to 5 tips and tricks and the mantras. Just remind that mantras in your mind. Okay, and try to use that in your examination, and you will definitely able to crack prime role as well. Okay, clear, guys? Just just try to remember my mantras in your mind. Okay, I have given you some tips and tricks and mantras, so just remember in your mind and try to use that mantras in your actual examination, and you will definitely able to crack the prime and the digital profile as well. Okay, guys, that's it from my side, and all the very best for your teachers examination. I will be there on. I guess I will be back on 25 and 25. We will be conducting live Q&A session. That is the last session for teachers NQT. So you can join that session, and also that's it from my side, and all the very best for your thesis examination, guys. And definitely we will provide some more playlist, like in upcoming days we will start the Accenture videos as well. So stay tuned for more such videos, and thank you so much guys for your support, and thank you so much guys, and all the very best for your examination. Thank you, Ravi. Like Lokesh, over to you. Like that's it from my side.
Thank you so much, Lokesh. Guys, 2 hours is completed, and Lokesh is continuously taking classes for all of you. Like and share the session, and thank you so much, Lokesh. You putting lot of efforts for candidates. You made you completed the 40 plus questions. That is a previous year questions, and you made like more than 15 6 like 18 plus videos for candidates. So it will very good for them. And guys, I have one important suggestions for all of you. This is the right opportunity, this is the right time. You have to grab the opportunity. And I am announcing a new biggest announcement. We are coming up on 22nd April as one of the biggest aptitude marathon, in which we will cover 80 questions. Okay, that is related to numerical, verbal reasoning, and advanced quant, advanced reasoning. So it is same like exam pattern. So we will tell you the updated time for the session as soon as possible. And that is a biggest marathon in which you have to solve the particular question. Our main important aim is to provide best jobs and free preparation for all of you, so all of you can grab the best opportunity. Okay, this is the biggest opportunity provided by TCS team. And as we know that how is the market situation. Okay, that's why we are conducting live session on daily basis. That's why we are providing the free session. And our main aim is to provide free sessions for all of you, because we are also from online learning team members are also from tier 3 college, and we face lot of problems. Okay, at the time of placement, मतलब हमने कैसे हमारा प्लेसमेंट क्रैक किया है वो हम ही जानते हैं, ठीक है, हमने कितनी मेहनत करी है, कितनी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स फेस की है। बट वी आर थिंकिंग दैट हम आपको ये प्रॉब्लम फेस नहीं करने देंगे, आपको सारे अपडेट्स बताएंगे। दैट्स वाई वी आर पुटिंग लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू ऑन एवरी डे बेसिस। ओके, यस राजशेखर, डोंट वरी अबाउट एनीथिंग, आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग। ओके, आप देख सकते हैं मेरे पीछे हमारा पीसी है, सो उसमें मैं प्रिपेयर कर रहा हूँ आप सभी के लिए पीडीएफ्स। सो मैं आपको पूरा कंटेंट एक जगह पे प्रोवाइड करूंगा, ऑल द क्वेश्चंस एंड द पीडीएफ। So you can just check the PDF and solve the question on daily basis. Last important tips that don't worry, as we already completed the so many coding section, and I checked the examination page. Okay, the careers portal page. So exam date is same as 26 April. By tomorrow we can expect the hall ticket admit card from TCS team. But one most important suggestion, you don't have to stop your preparation. Okay, I am here. Okay, well, Lokesh completed the videos of coding. Okay, and he has some meeting from tomorrow that is related to some officials meeting. That's why I am here for you. Like, if you have any kind of doubts in coding section, aptitude section, you can ask in the comment section, or you can ask in the Telegram chats or Telegram groups. As well as we are coming up with biggest code aptitude marathon on 22nd April. As well as we will also conduct one biggest live session on 25th April. That is a one day before examination, that is related to your queries. That is a Q&A session, do's and don't, what is the exam approach you have to follow. Sagnik already cracked the digital examination previous year, like in the 2022 batch. So he will tell his strategy that how you can crack the particular opportunity. So I have one important suggestions for all of you. We add 38 videos in our playlist. Okay, like out of 38 videos, some are registration, some are information videos. So more than 30 videos of aptitude and coding are there. Okay, mixed videos. So check that videos. Okay, solve that question. This is the best opportunity you have to grab. Okay, and मैं आप सभी को वापस बता रहा हूँ, many candidates are from 22 23 batch, they are facing lot of problems for grabbing the job opportunity because the time is over, their hiring is completed. But 2024 बैच कैंडिडेट्स, आपको ये मिस्टेक नहीं करनी है. डोंट डू दिस मिस्टेक. दिस इज अ गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी. और मैं आप सभी को बता रहा हूँ, ये आपको कोई नहीं बताने वाला है. आप पूरे यूट्यूब पे सर्च कर लीजिएगा, ठीक है. आपको कोई नहीं बोलेगा ये कि देखो आपके लिए अभी ये इतनी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है. ओके, दिस इज द राइट टाइम, दिस इज द राइट अपॉर्चुनिटी. सो यू हैव टू ग्रैब इट गाइस. और मैं आप सभी का ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लूंगा, बस मैं आपको यही कहूंगा कि यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस ऑन डेली बेसिस. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग द टुडेज लाइव सेशन. 2 hour 15 minutes is completed. But the last point is related, like decision is yours. Okay, like प्रिपरेशन आपको करनी है, हमने सारी चीजें आपको प्रोवाइड करवा दी, आपके ऊपर है कि आपको कैसे प्रिपरेशन करनी है, कैसे एग्जाम क्रैक करना है, ये आप सभी के ऊपर है. आप कैसे एग्जाम क्रैक करेंगे, क्या सारी डिटेल्स है, वो आपको देखना पड़ेगा, खुद आपको पूछना पड़ेगा अपने आप से, हाउ वाज माय प्रिपरेशन ऑन गोइंग. ओके. और एक चीज बता रहा हूं जो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स प्रॉब्लम फेस करते हैं. देखो अभी आपको काफी सारी बातें दिमाग में आएगी कि हमारे उस दोस्त की प्रिपरेशन तो अच्छी हो गई, हमारी प्रिपरेशन इतनी अच्छी नहीं हुई. आपको कोई बोलेगा आई सॉल्व दिस, आई सॉल्व लाइक 200 प्लस क्वेश्चंस, बट यू ओनली सॉल्व 15 20 क्वेश्चन. आपको ध्यान नहीं देना है, आपको अपने ऊपर ध्यान देना है. यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन योर सेल्फ, दैट आपकी प्रिपरेशन कैसी है. द एग्जाम इज इन सेंटर मोड. और जब आप उस लैपटॉप मतलब कंप्यूटर के सामने बैठेंगे, जब आपके सामने एग्जाम टैब खुलेगा, तो आपको देखना है कि क्वेश्चन मुझे कैसे सॉल्व करने. सो अपनी प्रिपरेशन पे फोकस कीजिए. अभी 4 5 दिन आप सब चीजें छोड़ दीजिए, ठीक है. ओनली फोकस ऑन द टीसीएस प्रिपरेशन. दिस इज द राइट टाइम. प्लेसमेंट हो जाएगा और अच्छी जॉब लग जाएगी, अच्छा पैकेज मिल जाएगा, उसके बाद घूमिए, एंजॉय कीजिए, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. बट दिस 4 to 5 days अपने आप से वादा कीजिए. यू हैव टू प्रॉमिस टू योर सेल्फ एज वेल एज हमसे भी वादा कीजिए कि प्रिपरेशन में कोई भी कमी नहीं रखेंगे. और यू हैव टू पुट योर 110% एफर्ट्स, बिकॉज वी हैव टू क्रैक द प्राइम अपॉर्चुनिटी. लेट्स क्रैक प्राइम. Sir, I am able to solve all of, but aptitude creates problem. So Shivang, for aptitude, I suggest you to practice more and more question. If like you are facing problems, so just go with the tricks. Okay. Just check our previous video. We already is like mentioned some so many tricks. Okay, and you can also find our aptitude video in which we mention all the aptitude tricks. Okay. Yes, yes, Ajar. Let's crack Prime. Everyone has to crack Prime. This is a best opportunity. So I hope this live session will helpful for everyone. Yes, Rajshekhar. Let's crack Prime. So guys, don't worry about anything. As I already promised to all of you that I will provide each and every update with all of you related to exam update, hall ticket, cutoff, interview preparation, interview experience of selected candidates. What are the recent interview? What is the process of onboarding, joining process? I will share each and every update. And I will like online learning team is always ready to help all candidates. Okay, so we will continue this series for many companies as well. Like for the next companies, Accenture is sending the congratulation mail to candidates. So we are hoping that the exam in the upcoming months. So don't worry, we are come up with free preparation videos for Accenture, as I already said. So let's crack Prime. Yes, Rani. So let's end up this session, and 2 hours 19 minutes is completed. Thank you so much guys for supporting, and thank you so much for joining the today's live session, as Lokesh is putting lot of efforts. So like mention in the comment section, let's crack Prime. And this is the best opportunity guys. Yes, Lokesh, you can mention
Yeah.
anything if you want. Yeah.
Okay, guys, like just remember the mantras. Like I have given you some tips, tricks, and mantras. Just try to remember it and try to use that mantras in your examination, real examination, and you will definitely crack the examination. And yeah, all the very best for your TCS examination. And yeah, we will soon meet you like in the next preparation, maybe of Accenture or any other thing. We will definitely meet in the next classes.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Like we will live on 25th
Yes.
April. That is a do's and don't session. Okay, live session. So guys, this is the best opportunity you have to grab. Okay, मैंने जैसा आपको कहा, you have to promise yourself. Okay, sir, the LinkedIn of both, sir. Lokesh, just share your LinkedIn profile in the comment section. Yes, I am sharing.
Just a second, guys.
Yeah. And guys, we already mentioned that if you post on the LinkedIn and tag or us on our Instagram, so it will very good for us. That other candidates also motivate. So if you can do this small help, so it will be very helpful for online learning team. Like you can post and you can take a screenshot of our video and you can just mention that completed the 2 hours biggest marathon coding marathon TCS NQT free preparation. Other candidates also motivated. We are continuing this series, and I have one aim for tier 3 college students and for other tier as well. Like I have to provide the best jobs opportunity and free placement preparation, and whole online learning team has work on this strategy. Okay, so we want support from all of you. Like and share the session, and share this session with your friends community in your colleges group, as well as you can share as status on WhatsApp as well. So it will very helpful for other candidates as well, because we have to help everyone, and let's help everyone as well as let's crack prime. सर आपका सेंड करो, लोकेश आपका भी सेंड कर दो.
Like I have provided you in the private chat, so can you put that
Okay,
in
sure,
the
yeah,
public
sure,
chat?
sure, sure. I got, yeah. Let's crack prime, yes. Okay, guys. So thank you so much for joining the today's live session. 38 videos in the playlist, and by today's video, 39 videos. Most probably, we are continuing this series because we are not here to sell any courses or like sell any other thing. So we are here to provide the free preparation that will help you in actual way. Okay, that will help you. We are here to provide the actual update, genuine update with all of you. Okay, so काफी मुझे कमेंट्स भी आते हैं कि मतलब जैसे बहुत सारी वीडियोस बनाते हैं उस पे कमेंट्स आते हैं, अरे तुम ऐसी वीडियो क्यों बनाते हो, पैसा क्यों छाप रहे हो. सो आप खुद सोचो कि इस वीडियो से कितना पैसा मिलता होगा. ओके, वी आर नॉट अ मिलेनियर्स और बिलेनियर्स. ओके, वी आर हियर टू हेल्प एवरीवन. वी आर ऑन मिशन. वी आर ऑन मिशन. वी हैव वन एम to provide the best jobs or free placement preparation. That's why we are conducting the live session on daily basis. Okay, that's our main motto, and I hope you understand, and you also checked all the videos of our channel, that we are here to provide the genuine updates. And LinkedIn, we completed 11,000 followers. Thank you so much everyone for supporting that. आप सभी अगर मुझे सपोर्ट करते हैं लिंक्डइन पे, सो लिंक्डइन पे मैं काफ़ी एक्टिव हो गया हूँ अभी, और वहाँ पर भी मैं काफ़ी सारी जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी शेयर कर रहा हूँ जिससे कम्युनिटी को हेल्प हो सके, क्योंकि लिंक्डइन पे भी बहुत फेक जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी शेयर हो रही है. दैट्स वाई मैं लिंक्डइन पे आ गया हूँ, और काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें मैं वहाँ शेयर करूँगा जो स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बेनिफिशियल है. और मैंने वहाँ पर एक नई सीरीज स्टार्ट करी है, डायरेक्ट अप्लाई लिंक वाली. ओके, मैं डायरेक्ट अप्लाई लिंक शेयर करूँगा जिससे स्टूडेंट्स को परेशान नहीं होना पड़ेगा और वो डायरेक्टली जॉब में अप्लाई कर पाएंगे. So I hope this session is very helpful for everyone. Like and share the session, and thank you so much Lokesh for putting lot of efforts.
Thank you everyone, and all the best for your thesis examination.
Yeah. Thank you guys, and all the best, all the very best for TCS examination. Don't worry, I am here with you, like all of you. Like I will provide each and every update that is related to TCS exam and other exam. So don't worry about anything. Okay. And I will share each and every update with all of you, as well as we are come up with biggest aptitude marathon on 22nd April. We will tell you time that is related to this aptitude marathon, so don't worry about anything. Okay, so we will wrap up the today's session, and if you have any kind of doubt you can ask in the comment section, as well as you can ask on the Telegram group. Okay, so thank you so much for joining the today's live session. Thank you so much guys, bye. Thank you
Thank you.
Lokesh.